Hi Internet. In this prototype we see a bit of a Diablo clone. This is something I put together in part to teach my colleagues a few things about graphics programming, and in part to see how far I can really go with vanilla JavaScript and WebGL2. This is meant to be a bit of a Diablo clone, or maybe along the lines of Gauntlet, where we have these sprawling labyrinths full of monsters to defeat and loot to collect, and perhaps playing online over WebSockets with a customizable character. I didn't get to that part yet. All I really have is what you see here running around this dungeon, this tile-based dungeon, with some procedurally placed lighting and enemies with extremely simple little enemy brains. All they do is run straight towards me when I've gotten their attention. But you can see we have many characters on screen, each with their independent frames of animation. This is using skeletal animation. Granted, it's mostly done in the vertex shader. We also have lots of point lights, all these torches, and we can cast up to 4 shadows on screen at a time. So I'm using a texture atlas approach for the shadow maps. And we have a bunch of particles, like these little bits of spring blood and the fire from the torches, that are mostly handled on the GPU. And it's an interesting exercise, considering WebGL fell just short of having standard support for compute shaders and geometry shaders and other things that might make some of these features a little easier. But so far I'm happy with what I have, the performance here. The meshes themselves I put together in Blender, and I hacked together a couple scripts to export the meshes and the animations. And a link to the actual GitHub repository is below, and I hope that this is helpful. I hope you've enjoyed watching me run around, beat up a few spiders, and thank you for watching.